Good morning, 11O and Sir Edward. Today we will be discussing our topic, which is biomass. But first, let's roll the intro.
What is biomass exactly? Biomass is plant material used as fuel to generate heat and electricity. Examples include wood and wood residues, energy crops, agricultural residues, industrial, agricultural, and household waste. Biomass is organic matter, meaning that it consists of substance derived from living organisms such as plants and animals. The most common biomass materials used for energy are plants, wood, and waste. These are called biomass feedstocks. Biomass energy can be a non-renewable energy source.
The use of biomass grants wondrous advantages and benefits. While having these benefits and advantages, there are also drawbacks when it comes to the use of biomass. Advantages of biomass. As a constant, inaccessible, renewable energy source, biomass, the largest biomass energy source available today is still wood. Food, crops, grassy and woody plants, forestry or agricultural waste, oil-rich algae, and the organic portion of municipal and industrial waste are some more sources. Less garbage in landfills, methane, one of the most potent greenhouse gases, as well as carbon dioxide and other molecules are released during the decomposition of organic material in landfills. Disadvantages of biomass. It's expensive. Utilizing forest biomass to produce power is particularly expensive due to its inefficiency. In actuality, biomass power is the most expensive energy source in California. Regulator-funded incentives and subsidies are a major source of income for biomass power facilities. It can have a negative impact on the surrounding environment. Burning biomass in a solid, liquid, or gaseous state can release additional pollutants and particulate matter into the air, such as carbon monoxide, volatile organic compounds, and nitrogen oxides, in addition to contributing to carbon dioxide emissions.
What the current state in the Philippines is. Nearly 30% of the energy used in the Philippines comes from biomass. A lot of these are used for cooking by rural residents. Biomass energy sources account for approximately 15% of the primary energy used in the Philippines. Biomass energy has and continues to play a vital role in the Philippines' energy supply. Nearly 30% of the energy for the 100 million plus people living in the Philippines come from biomass, and is mainly used for household cooking by rural population.
How is biomass compared to other energy sources? Biomass, compared to other energy sources, can be sustained for a long time. This is because when carbon dioxide is emitted, it is only absorbed by the atmosphere. Biomass absorbs CO2 through photosynthesis, and the cycle repeats itself. It is also less expensive than that of fossil fuels, all of that whilst reducing the greenhouse gas emissions. In contrast to other renewable energy sources, such as the wind and the sun, energy from biomass can be stored in organisms and harvested when needed. It becomes renewable if the biomass feedstock is not replenished as quickly as it is consumed. Why should biomass be government supported? Biomass is an energy source that is eco-friendly and cost-effective. Based on 2019 ratings, the estimated levelized cost of biomass energy is at 4.56 pesos per kilowatt hour. The levelized cost of energy measures the lifetime cost of generating electricity through a plant or technology. Biomass can range up to an estimated 40,000 pesos yearly, and the after effects of using biomass can reduce a person's carbon footprint by 80%. Supporting biomass can have a positive impact on the environment whilst also having a boost in economic growth.
Biomass is important for the future of our country since it supplies clean, renewable energy that will improve our environment, economy, and energy security. Biomass will lessen the garbage in landfills, and it will also reduce the over-reliance of fossil fuels. Biomass should be continuously utilized because it gives a lot of positive effects that will make our country and environment even better.
To conclude, biomass is one of the major renewable sources in the world. Biomass, while being less used than fossil fuels, is still a viable energy source to rely on. Biomass is also eco-friendly while also reducing garbage in landfills. With all that said, here are the sources used in researching about this topic. Thank you for listening. We are Group 2 Biomass.